Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Will it ever get less funny? Stay tuned. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of an experiment. Yeah, we'll call it that. Basically, I have a lot of clothes that I do not wear. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. And this is like stupid because then I end up wearing the same things over and over again, even though I have all these clothes in my closet that I like could be wearing, you know? But I have a theory that if I crop some of these sweaters and t-shirts, and then I have like some dresses you'll see, or a pair of shorts that are too long, and like make them a little shorter, that I'll actually want to wear them. In my mind, this is gonna work out and it's all gonna be really cute. However, I'm a little nervous because like a couple of these sweaters, what if I don't like them cut and then I've just ruined a $60 sweatshirt? We'll see how this goes. Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, so I have gathered some things from my closet that I've deemed worthy of cutting. Things that I think I would probably wear if they were cropped or shorter. We'll see. So I have some t-shirts. I've got, this is a hoodie, this is a sweatshirt. I've got this shirt, and then there's a couple dresses and a pair of shorts. So let's just get cutting, you know? Let's just see if my theory works out. Let's do it. Okay, honestly, that went better than expected. I opted not to cut two things, one of which was a gray hoodie that I looked at and was like, yeah, I can wear this as is, you know, just on like a comfier day. And the other was one of the two black dresses, and I didn't cut the second black dress because I really messed up cutting the first black dress. This right here is one of the black dresses. So it didn't go as planned. I cut it too short initially. Just wanted to take like a little length off, and that didn't work out, so we've made it a crop top. But after that I was like, yeah, I don't know if I should risk cutting the other dress because honestly I can still return it, it's brand new. I was just gonna keep it if I could make it shorter, but that didn't seem like it was gonna work out. But on the bright side, I now have all of these fabric scraps that I'm going to throw out as soon as I'm done here. But yeah, honestly, like the t-shirts especially, I feel like definitely worked out the best. And the shorts. They were too long and I did not overestimate how much I needed to cut off, so that was good. I was nervous to cut the pink hoodie because that's from Harry Styles' first tour, and so like I can't really replace it if I mess it up. But luckily it worked out fine, and I think it looks really cute, and I can like actually wear it. I've never worn it in the like 3 years I've had it. So yeah, now I can actually wear it. Honestly, I'm probably gonna go back in and make the cuts a little nicer. I know the one on the pink sweatshirt was a little rough, but I just wasn't sure it was gonna work out, so I said, why put that time and effort in if it's not gonna work out? And yeah, maybe I'll crop more of my clothes since this seemed to have worked out so well. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!